Hi, I'm here with Bhakti from Analog Devices, and she's going to take us through a switching demo that's running behind us. Bhakti, what have we got here?
So this is a silent switcher micromodule regulator demo. First of all, let's understand what is the technology, what is silent switcher. So on this video, we'll see, first of all, we remove this traditional wire bond method of connecting the die to the package pin, and then we flip the silicon and added copper pillars. So what it does, it minimizes the hot loop and shortening the distance from internal FET to the package pins and the input capacitor. It is impossible to reduce hot loop area. We can make similar identical loop and magnetic field will cancel. This is the concept behind silent switcher. And here what we are demoing, the competitive power solution. This is a competitive device, and here we are showing the emission level. If you see, when I place a probe on competitor device, you will see the high emission, around 60 dB microvolt. Now, I'm showing our silent switcher generation 1. You will see less emission than the competitors. And this is our second generation silent switcher silent switcher. You see bare emission here. This is the IC inside the micromodule regulator. So it will show the same performance as micromodule regulator.
That's interesting. And what does this do for applications?
Customer who needs low EMI, RF imaging scanner, like medical application scanners, also wireless communications, aerospace and defense, anybody who needs low EMI, the silent switcher micromodule regulator would be perfect fit for those. We have silent switcher micromodule regulator up to 40 volt, 60 volt. We also have quad output, dual output. Customer can replace 4 of a single module with our just quad output silent switcher micromodule regulator. So we also have this AD converters, power solutions from Analog Devices. As you can see here, it has all LDOs and switching regulators. And with the silent switcher micromodule regulator technology, we are replacing all these LDOs and switching regulator. You can see how much area we are saving here, and also the efficiency is better as compared to the older version.
Oh, that's very interesting.
Yes.
Hi, I'm here with Henry from Analog Devices, and he's got a 48 volt power system behind us. He's going to tell us about it. Henry, what are we looking at?
Oh, we're looking at a total power solution for application like a data center communication system, right? From 48 volt down to intermediate voltage, 12 volt plus voltage, and down to low voltage high current applications. Or we can do 40 volt direct conversion down to 1 volt application for high current. So that's the system we're talking about.
I see. And how do you do that?
We do that with highly integrated power modules. And from the two-stage solution I mentioned, we have a first-stage power module from 40 to 12, using a new topology we call a hybrid converter. So convert that down with a very high efficiency. And for second stage, we have a power load converter, which is a high-performance buck converter with a PM bus interface, right, to provide all the regulation. And we also have a single-stage solution from 40 volt directly to 1 volt, which is everything integrated in one module.
I see. Yeah. Perhaps you can take us through the circuit we have in front of us here.
So this demonstration system just showing conceptually a motherboard system, right, with a 40 volt input from this side, with a 40 volt bus. Right. So for 40 volt, we have these two converters in parallel called LT-M4660. It's a 4-to-1 hybrid converter step down with current sharing capability. So this is a 300 watt each, totally will power 600 watt bus for 12 volt, which actually can have a range from 10 to 12 volt, but it's regulated. Right? Now from 12 volt step down, we have a different power module, which all are high performance buck converter with either single output. This one is a 4700 with a 100 amp for each module. So we can parallel two of them for 200 amp conceptually. We have a module with multiple outputs. This is a dual, this is a quad, right? All in one package, integrated package. Now all the converter has a PM bus interface to talk with the system through a PM bus connection to the computer in the demo system. Here shows another conceptual power module. We'll have 40 volt direct step down to 1 volt, 100 amp with a high efficiency, and which have integrated magnetics and all silicon, everything in the package. This also uses a technology we have for a switch capacitor converter, together with a high performance buck converter with a PM bus interface and current sharing capability. And this example here for 2 modules in parallel for 100 amp applications.
So Henry, where can our viewers go to get more information about this system?
Okay, viewer can go to the analog.com website and looking for the information there.
Okay.
And we have all the modules on this system released on our website.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.